Hi, welcome along, and in today's video it's rock and roll time, everyone. I've had a request saying, hey Dan, when are you going to get back on the rock and roll? So here we are. I'm going to go to an absolute rock and roll legend. This is a guy called Eddie Cochran. Typical for this beautiful weather we're having. This is a song called Summertime Blues. In the middle of summer, what else could we do? So go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Right, Summertime Blues, here we go. So it's going to sound like this. And so on. Okay, so let's get started. So as you may or may not have gathered, it's in the key of E, E major. We're going to be using the chords of E, A major and B seventh. It's a fairly simple song. The magic is in all the little tricks that go on throughout. So let's get started then. So it's in the key of E, as I've just said, but instead of doing a E chord for the riff, what we're going to do, we're going to hold down the 2nd fret of the A string, 2nd fret of the D string with our first finger. Right. Next step we're going to do, with the edge of our hand, I like to call it the chop. Hey-ya, karate chop. The edge of the hand, I call it the chop. Mute the strings. Now listen, don't press, just rest the edge of your hand down on the strings so you get this kind of sound. You don't want to completely kill all the sound coming out the strings, but it gives you a more of an aggressive sound, you know? So, can you hear that? Now what we're going to do, we're going to slide up from the 1st fret up to our position, which is the 2nd fret. Well, I've just showed you. So we're going to go down stroke and then down up. Yeah, so down. So that is like you slide up from the 1st fret to the 2nd fret. So down, and then so down pick. Cause it gives you the momentum to slide from the 1st fret up to the 2nd fret. So, got it? Right, and then once we're at the 2nd fret, we go down up. So we got slide up, down, up, slide up, down, up, slide up, down, up, slide up, down, up. Okay, so that's what we got. So we got. Then we got up, down, up, A. So we're starting off in the E. So E major. Up, down, up, A. So up, down on the A. B seventh. Up, down on the E. And then again. Up, down on the A. B7, up, down on the E. So we got right now in between the chords we're gonna do a crafty little snatch. That's when the strings are slightly muted and we're gonna go down and up. So we got it? Chukka, chukka. Now you're asking me, how are you doing that, Dan? So how are we doing that? We're just muting the life out of the strings. We're also coming off the chord. So the chord is the chord, right? The chord is only the chord when you're pressing. When you just release off, what you get is a muted chord. Hear it? It's not sounding very good, right? Because we're not pressing. Now we're pressing. Now we're not pressing. So for that, as well as slightly muting the strings with the edge of your hand, we've decided we're not moving up, we're not coming out of the chord position, we're just loosening our fingers, yeah? Can you hear that? So we got, yep. So I've got a loose A, plus I'm smashing down on the strings, palm all over the strings so that they're not ringing. So up, down, down, chaka. Up, down, chaka. So that's the first bit of the song. So we've got the intro. Up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down. Then every time I call my baby, I ask her for a date. We got it. Let's show you how to do that. Okay, so what we're doing, so we're in for that bit, we are effectively doing an A, but we're doing the blues shuffle there. Now the blues shuffle is, we're going to hold down strings. I've been through this in other videos, but for the sake of this one, 4, 3, 2, 1. We are holding down, okay? The first string, we're not going to get that far, but just as a matter of course, just hold down 4. It's no big deal. Hold down 4. And then we're going to be going down, up, then third finger, full fret on the D string. So we've got down, up without the third finger on the fourth string. See that? And we're doing this. We are muting again with our side of our hand, and really, you know, rocking them strings out. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. We're coming down onto a muted position, yeah? E, right? So, I'm a D. So we've got the A. Every now come a baby. Then to E, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, me, and A, 2, 3, A. About the E, 2, 3, baba dooba down, boom. E, A, B7, E, then slidey, 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 E and A, B7, E, slidey, 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 E to A, B7 to E, then A shuffle, E 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, A shuffle, shuffle, and then E to ba 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 dooba down boom. E to A, B7, E, chaka. So there we go, Summertime Blues by the great Eddie Cochran. How did you do? You've got to let me know down in the comments section below. Always love to hear from you. Again, if like the guy who requested this song, get in there. You know, if there's any songs you would like me to break down for you in another video, let me know down in the comments section below. If you've liked today's video, please can you click like and subscribe, as it helps me grow the channel. You lot, as always, are amazing. I'll hope to see you back here again in another video. Take good care of yourselves, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.